Hare Krishna. This is my offering to Guru Maharaj. Dear and respected Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to your divine grace. On this auspicious day of appearance of your divine grace, I just want to express my gratitude with a few words, with your blessings and permission, although I am utterly unqualified. It is said that Brahmand Brahmate Kono Bhagyavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Paye Bhakti Lata Bij. According to their karma, all the living entities are wandering throughout the entire universe. Some of them are being elevated to the upper planetary systems and some are going down onto the lower planetary system. Out of millions of wandering living entities, one who is very, very fortunate gets an opportunity to associate with a bona fide spiritual master by the grace of Krishna. By the mercy both Krishna and the spiritual master, such a person receives the seed of the creeper of devotional service. As also mentioned in the Mundaka Upanishad, Tad Vijnanartham Sa Gurum Eva Vigached. Srila Prabhupada has taught that one must approach a pure devotee of Krishna and surrender to him. And this is an absolute necessity in spiritual life. The Shastra says one has to surrender to a guru. By the causeless mercy of Krishna and Prabhupada, we got a bona fide spiritual master like your divine grace. Unfortunately, when your holiness is not physically present in the planet, I could not serve you. Unfortunately, when your holiness was physically present in this planet, I could not serve you properly. But now willing to serve your Vani throughout the life without any ulterior motives. Shri Gurudev, as mentioned, that Krishna se tomar Krishna dite pare, Krishna tomara sakati ache, amito kangal Krishna Krishna, bole dhai tave pache pache. Krishna is yours. You have the power to give him to me. I am also simply running behind you, shouting Krishna Krishna. After your departure, there is the greatest loss of the world, especially devotees community in the Jain. But now eventually by your mercy, things are coming back on track. The Srila Prabhupada Memorial Festival, started by your holiness, is a unique event throughout the ISKCON world, through which we have got the opportunity to hear about the glories of Srila Prabhupada from many senior devotees across the world. Building loving, caring devotee association is also another important contribution of your holiness. The Abhay series made by your holiness is one of the biggest series which was broadcasted. The glories of the Srila Prabhupada across the world. On this blessed occasion of anniversary of your divine appearance, seeking your blessings so I can understand more and more glories of Srila Prabhupada and your holiness. Thus, I may able to chant with the undivided attention and the full affection for the Lord's holy name, fame, able to read Srila Prabhupada books with full absorption. Also able to preach the glories of the ISKCON throughout the world, seeking your blessings and mercy so I can serve in the mission of ISKCON throughout the life. Your aspiring servant Jagat Jeevan Das. Shri Guru Maharaj Ki. I just want to read my offering. I wrote to His Holiness Chandramali Swami Maharaj as well. As we know that Maharaj appeared in 1947 in New Jersey, and at the age of 24, Maharaj in 1973, he came across the teachings of Srila Prabhupada and joined the ISKCON in New York. And then he eventually went to West Virginia, New Vrindavan Farm Community, and started serving over there. He got initiated in 1973 from Srila Prabhupada. In 1986, Maharaj accepted the sannyas. And now he's preaching across the world. And Maharaj is a great inspiration for me, especially in the prison preaching. By taking inspiration from him, I also started the prison preaching. And so far, around 2,000 prisoners, I preached the message of Bhagavad Gita. And some of are still practicing inside the jail, some are outside the jail. Hare Krishna. So, and on that, I discussed with the Maharaj and he told to send the details. And the important book Maharaj wrote that on the holy jail, and that is a tremendous efforts for more than 30 years contribution for making the life Krishna conscious. And another contribution, as mentioned early in the morning by devotees, that another important book, Krishna's Way, Natural Living. This is a very good book. I also read, not full, but some of the part of that, natural living, that is based on simple living and high thinking with Krishna consciousness, packed with the many Srila Prabhupada quotes and Maharaj's deep personal realization. This must have thoughtful and intelligent, deep. And now, whenever I think about the Maharaj or heard about the Maharaj, it reminds me about his ecstatic kirtan dance, especially ecstatic dance at the age of 77. Enthusiastic. He is one of the most enthusiastic devotee I have ever seen in the ISKCON, especially in such an advanced age. His charming, enchanting smile, merciful glance, effulgent body, and he's like, his name itself like Chandramauli, like Lord Shiva, Ashutosh. So he's easily pleased and available for everyone. So his simplicity, as mentioned by many pastimes by Radhana Swami Maharaj also, so it's really inspiring. We'll pray in the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada and the Maharaj. By under their divine guidance, we can serve in the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu throughout the life. His Holiness Chandramauli Swami Guru Maharaj ki, Srila Prabhupada ki, Hare Krishna.